In this video, I will walk you through on how to write your WordPress post. Now basically, when writing, there are two types of writing. The first one is writing a post, and a post is the standard post block, which you can see over here. Scroll down. So this is a post, example of a post. This is where the main writing of your blogs are located. Okay, and the next one is the write page. Now basically, pages are the links which you can see right here. You can see here home, about. You can add more pages or menu over here, and these are considered the pages, the blog pages. And it will also appear over here if you put in the pages text widget in this section. Okay, so now writing a page and writing a post, for example, let's go back. You'll type in the title, and you'll type in the post over here. This is a test post by Amir Salim, and you can change the font by using all these options. Let's say if you want it to be bold, just select and bold it, or you want it to be in italics, underlined. You can change the font size to a bigger size. Okay, you can change the font whether you want it to be in Arial, for example. You can also add an image. You can see here, insert image, and a new box will appear, and you need to point, or you need to put in the full image URL. Okay, you can see here image URL. You need to point to the full one. For example, let's say full URL. Let's point to one of my own images on my server. Okay, there you go. The image has been appeared. Now, image description. If you want to type any description, for example, info product dashboard, and the title, just say this, info product dashboard. Okay, and you can also choose over here the appearance. Click here once whether you want it to be aligned in the middle or the top. You can see on the right hand side over here, this will be the example on where your image will be located. So if you do not set anything, it will be located like this. That means your words will be around here and the image will be here. If you put it in the top, then it will be like this. If you put it in the middle, it will be like this, and so on. So let's see if it's on the left. So all the words will be placed up here. You can also change the dimensions, the constraint proportions, you want it to be checked or not. Whether you want any border, you can put in border if you want. For example, put border 1, and you can choose all this. Another option is to go to the advanced tab over here, and you can also get an alternative image. That means an extra or different image if you put your cursor or your mouse cursor over the image. Okay, so all these options are quite optional. Generally, you will just want the alignment, the dimensions, and the image to appear properly. Once you are done, you just click on the insert button over here, and the image will appear over here. Okay, you can also specify the categories, which category this falls onto, but I have not specified any categories yet. So if you have specified a category, all those categories will be listed over here, and you can tick whether for you to choose on which categories does this post belong to. Let's scroll down. Optionally, you can even upload a file for people to download on your blog. You can browse here and choose a file on your computer, type in the title and description, and click on upload button. Now let's open up this. You can see open up the box. I will recommend that you just allow these two boxes to be checked. if you want the post to be password protected, that means only a certain number of people can read the post, then you'll type in a password over here. So you can see how powerful this WordPress application is. Now the post slug will be the description or the name of your post. So this is very important. You need to put this, especially if you are using permalinks. In the previous part of the videos, I've shown you how to create the permalinks so that it will be more search engine friendly. So right here you will type in the name of the post. For example, if I type in a test post, okay, now I'll show you what happens later on. Okay, the name will be test post, the name of the link of the post. The ending will be this name. Post status, whether it's in draft, pending review, published, or private. Right now it is in draft because I'm typing the post or creating the post. And the timestamp, you can edit the date of the post. So even if you want to backtrack, or you want to bring the post back to last week or to last 2 weeks or to previous dates which are over, you can change this. Okay, that means the post will look at a different date. So the rest are more advanced options, so I will skip on all those. And once I'm done, I will click on the save button. Now save button will just save the post, but it will not publish. But if I click on publish, it will save and publish the post. So I will just click on publish. Okay, you can see the post saved and we can view the post. So I'll refresh. And there you go, you can see the post appears over here with this date, timestamp, and remember this image, all this, it has appeared. The image has appeared, the post has appeared over here. And you can see over here, okay, this is the link. If I put my cursor on this title of this post, take note at the status bar below here. Okay, around here, take note. Okay, look at the status bar below. You can see the ending name is test-post. So that is the name which I specify in the slug. You can see right here, post slug. This is the name of the post. Basically, we name the post to identify it. So you can see it appears what we specify on the post slug. Okay. So now if you want to create your pages, for example, so again it is quite the same as writing a post. Click on write page over here. There you go, you can see the page title, the page content, except that it will not appear as a post, but it will appear as the whole page. Okay, I will show you an example. So let's say test page. Okay, and test line 1. Let's copy. I will copy. Sorry. If you want to paste, test line 2. Okay, so this post over here, instead of this section over here, instead of being published as a post, it will publish as a whole page. So again, the rest of the options are similar, quite the same, except that there is no post slug because this is not a post. The name will be this name itself, the test page. You can also password protect, and you can see the page parent, whether you want this to be part of the about section, which you can see over here, whether you want the page to be in the section of the about section or the parent or the main page. Sorry, no parent, the main page. That means if I choose this option, it will appear along with all these menu links. That means it is same degree as the rest, same status. Okay, now once I have everything, I just click on publish. And there you go, the page has been saved. Now let's refresh. You will see a new tag. There you go, test page. Let's click on this test page, and you can see it goes entirely to a new page. So this page, this whole page, instead of a post, it is just a page by itself. If you specify as many content as you want in this page, it will appear everything over here. So there won't be any more post, any other post in this page, because this is just a standard page. Okay. So if you want to manage your page, click on this manage button, and you can manage your post by clicking on this link or clicking on this link. So you can see this. Currently there are two pages. One is the about page, and another one is the test page. So again, if you want to create a new page, you can optionally or alternatively click on this link. If you want to edit the pages, just click on edit button over here. If you want to view them, click on view, and if you want to delete, just click on the delete button. Now you can also manage your uploads in case you have any uploads being done. You can see there's only one upload over here, and over here you specify your categories. Okay, just add new category, the name, the slug name, that means again like the post slug category, for example category 1, whether the category has a parent category or a category of its own, and description is optional. Just add category 1 added.